Stop. If your house is clean, but somehow still smells like betrayal, this video just became mandatory viewing. I tried 10 viral CleanTok cleaning trends, so you don't have to, and I'm ranking them from why did I doubt the internet to TikTok, explain yourself. Trend number one, and this one already owes me emotional damages, the baking soda and vinegar everything hack. CleanTok promised chemistry magic. What actually happened? A dramatic foam party that looked productive, and then nothing. The grime just sat there, unbothered, like it paid rent. It's loud, it's bubbly, it's fun, and it's about as effective as yelling at dirt. Great for clout, mid for cleaning. Trend 2, dish soap plus vinegar on shower door grime. I was skeptical because every viral cleaning trend says, just spray and walk away, which is how lies begin. But listen, this one, shockingly legit. The soap clings, the vinegar loosens the mess, and suddenly your shower doors stop looking like a true crime scene. I stood there afterward like, oh, so this is what hope feels like. Trend 3 nearly ended my laundry career, laundry stripping. CleanTok claims your clothes are secretly filthy even after washing. I did not want this to be true. Then I soaked my towels and watched the water turn the color of regret. The towels came out softer, fresher, and honestly a little judgmental. This trend works, but it will humble you spiritually. Trend 4, toilet bowl hacks using fizzy tablets. I dropped one in and waited like it was a science experiment. Did it clean? Yes. Did it clean better than regular cleaner? No. But it felt fancy. This trend is for people who want their toilet to feel like it's at a spa. Effective? Fine. Necessary? Absolutely not. Trend 5 is where CleanTok started yelling, oven cleaner on glass doors. This trend works so well it feels illegal. The baked on grease didn't come off, it surrendered. I stared at the glass afterward like, so this is an option the whole time? But use this responsibly. This is not a trend, this is a weapon. Trend 6, steam cleaning bathrooms. According to TikTok, steam fixes everything, wrinkles, germs, your past. And I hate to say it, but it's annoyingly effective. The heat loosens buildup, the grime gives up, and suddenly you feel like a Victorian maid with authority. This trend works, but it makes you feel superior, which is dangerous. Trend 7 is the most controversial, cleaning with just water and vibes. CleanTok swore this was enough for certain surfaces. It is not. This trend is a social experiment to see who will lie confidently on the internet. Water alone did absolutely nothing except make the dirt wet and harder to ignore. Trend 8, decluttering before cleaning. I know, boring, not aesthetic, no bubbles, but this trend might be the backbone of all other trends. Once the clutter was gone, cleaning took half the time and 1/10 the rage. I hated how right this was. CleanTok accidentally gave real advice. Trend 9, scent layering your home. CleanTok says if your house smells clean, it is clean. That's a lie, but also kind of true. After actually cleaning and then adding intentional scent, my home felt expensive, like someone who owns matching towels lives there. This trend works emotionally, which counts. Trend 10, the final boss, daily reset routines. 5 minutes every night. Wipe, straighten, reset. I resisted this like it was a gym membership, but after a week, my house stopped spiraling into chaos. This trend doesn't clean for you, it prevents future you from losing it, and honestly, that's power. So, what did we learn from trying 10 viral CleanTok cleaning hacks? Some trends are smoke and mirrors, some are suspiciously life changing, and some exist purely to film foam in slow motion. If this saved you time, money, or at least one unnecessary mess, hit subscribe because I will continue sacrificing my sanity to test the internet so you don't have to.